the Holy Qur'an and modern science, an investigation into compatibility and interaction. Any book that claims to be from God Almighty must continue at all times because it contains the entire constitution of life. In ancient times, it was the age of miracles. Praise be to God, the Qur'an is the miracle of miracles, because the Arabs are the people of literary writings when the Qur'an was revealed. Praise be to God, Muslims and non-Muslims testify that the Qur'an is the best literary book on the face of the earth, and God Almighty has given a challenge in the Qur'an.
وَإِن كُنتُمْ فِي رَيْبٍ مِّمَّا نَزَّلْنَا عَلَىٰ عَبْدِنَا فَأْتُوا بِسُورَةٍ مِّن مِّثْلِهِ وَادْعُوا شُهَدَاءَكُم مِّن دُونِ اللَّهِ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ تفعلوا ولن تفعلوا فاتقوا النار التي وقودها الناس والحجارة أعدت للكافرين.
Albert Einstein said, "Science without religion is incomplete. Religion without knowledge is blind." The Qur'an is the last revelation from God that He sent to the last of the messengers, the Prophet Muhammad, may God bless him and grant him peace. The Qur'an is the miracle of miracles. It contains more than 6,000 verses, including more than 1,000 verses that talk about science. Some Nobel Prize-winning scientists described the creation of the universe as a Big Bang and said that the universe was a large mass that had an explosion, which led to the emergence of galaxies, planets, stars, the sun, the moon, and the earth in which we live. This is from the Big Bang. The Qur'an mentioned this more than 1,400 years ago.
أَوَلَمْ يَرَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا أَنَّ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ كَانَتَا رَتْقًا فَفَتَقْنَاهُمَا وَجَعَلْنَا مِنَ الْمَاءِ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ حَيٍّ أَفَلَا يُؤْمِنُونَ.
This verse from the Holy Qur'an spoke about the Big Bang, which scientists recently discovered 14 centuries ago.
ثم استوى إلى السماء وهي دخان فقال لها وللأرض ائتيا طوعا أو كرها قالتا أتينا طائعين.
We will only talk about the facts that have been acknowledged, and we will not talk about assumptions and theories because science proves that these borrowings and theories are wrong. In a field such as space science, scientists today tell us that the primary celestial matter of the universe was in the form of gas, and the Arabic word used in the Qur'an is smoke, and smoke does not only mean gas, but it means what results from combustion or explosion. And today, scientists say that smoke is closer to the truth than a word about gazelles. At that time, the heat was high. Imagine taking the truth that the Qur'an tells us 1,400 years ago, and which we recently discovered, that the heavenly primary matter of the universe was in the form of smoke. In the past, humans believed that the earth we live on was flat until 1567, when Sir Francis Drake circumnavigated the earth and proved that the earth was spherical, and the Qur'an says,
أَلَمْ تَرَ أَنَّ اللَّهَ يُولِجُ اللَّيْلَ فِي النَّهَارِ وَيُولِجُ النَّهَارَ فِي اللَّيْلِ وَسَخَّرَ الشَّمْسَ وَالْقَمَرَ كُلٌّ يَجْرِي إِلَى أَجَلٍ مُّسَمًّى وأن الله بما تعملون خبير.
God brings the night into the day, meaning that the night turns into day gradually and slowly, and the day turns into night slowly and gradually. If the earth were flat, the change would be sudden and not gradual between night and day. And the Qur'an says,
خلق السماوات والأرض بالحق يكور الليل على النهار ويكور النهار على الليل وسخر الشمس والقمر كل يجري لأجل مسمى ألا هو العزيز الغفار.
The Arabic word used here is kur, which means to wrap or overlap. God says, God will divide the night into the day and the day into the night. And it would be possible in one case if the earth were spherical. If it were flat, it would be impossible.
وَالْأَرْضَ بَعْدَ ذَلِكَ دَحَاهَا.
The word daha has two meanings. The first is expansion, and the second is daha, meaning an oval shape. Today we know that the earth on which we live is not completely in the shape of a ball, but rather it is shaped like an egg. The Arabic word does not mean an ordinary egg, but specifically an ostrich egg.